You can see that the tofu still holds the shape and it's in a cube. And it's really cute. Welcome to FUEL Healthy Test Kitchen. A lot of you posted comments and questions on different Facebook groups and vegan groups that you find making tofu is very difficult. Or sometimes it tastes very bland. So today, we're going to make a very interesting Vietnamese-inspired lemongrass tofu. It's a little bit of stir-fry, but what's important is that it really demonstrates the amazing flexibility and agility of tofu. It takes on all the aromatics and it's still low-carb and keto-friendly. Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you get more healthy cooking videos like this. And if you have any questions about this recipe, feel free to post on comment below. Let's get started. So today's ingredient includes 3 cloves of garlic, a red chili pepper, a shallot, I have an orange pepper here, a stalk of lemongrass, an 1/8 of a leek, just the white parts, and extra firm tofu. First step is to smash the garlic and roughly chop it up. Do the same with the shallot, and chop up the red chili pepper as well. Peel off the top layer of the lemongrass and smash it slightly and do a fine chop. I trimmed the bottom of the leek and cut out about 4 inches. I diced up half of orange pepper. I also made 1-inch cubes of tofu. Now your prep is done. Heat up your non-stick pan. Turn it onto medium to high heat and put about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in it. Make sure it's hot enough and add in your garlic, shallot, and red chili. Let it fry and take on a little bit of brownness. Now add in your leeks. Now is a good time to add some salt and white pepper. I also add the lemongrass and the orange pepper at this time. The order of this matters because I want to keep the crunchiness. So here are secret ingredients. A tablespoon of MCTO with a tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. Once you deglaze the bottom of the pan, stir it all together and put it aside. With a mostly clean pan, add another 2 tablespoons of high heat resistant oil into the pan and add in your cubed tofu. Let it fry slowly each side for about 5 minutes and turn it. Once the water is released from the tofu, it's time to salt and add some black pepper to the tofu. Add in the prepared aromatics and your veggies. It will soak up the rest of the liquid and dry up. And now you're ready to serve. Okay, let's give this a try. Pick the piece up with all the fixins and the tofu together. You got to make this for yourself. See, the tofu still holds the shape. It gives you a very different texture than all the rest of the fixins. I will put the recipe in the description box below. If you like this video, please hit like button. If you have any questions, please post in a comment below or email us at info@fuelplus.ca. Connect with us on Instagram or Twitter at FuelPlus. Thanks for watching.